It's now midnight. Today is May 20th. We finally arrived safely in Jiulong County. We just pulled them out. The pressure was heavy. May 2024. I said I wanted to try some overland crossings. Within Route 19 after a year, I actually made it here. Stocked supplies and filled the tank. Food and a tire repair kit. Snow chains and oxygen bottles. Sent a text to test the satellite phone. When we reached this road sign, the Route 19 crossing truly began. We set off to see if we could make it. This is Route 19. In Sichuan, if you love off-roading, almost everyone knows this place. It links Shimian County to Jiulong County. Danger lurks everywhere here. Every year, countless vehicles get stuck. If you go over a cliff, the vehicle is almost certainly totaled. Nature keeps warning those who come to challenge it. That's why they call it 10 attempts, 9 fail. Hold on. Is it snowing up there?
No snow, not snowing.
Hey, what's up today? Nothing. Hey, what are you doing? Heading out? Get in. Where's he taking it? Up into the mountains. Driving up the mountain. This road's most challenging section is a 4,800-meter mountain pass. With its unique microclimate, it sees rain and snow year-round. At the foot, dark, damp primeval forest. Higher up, snow most of the time. We're at 3,500 meters now. Where the rhododendrons bloom, the climb begins. The road keeps climbing, until we reach the summit. After 5 hours through rivers and trails, we reached the snow line around 4 p.m. We hesitated. Should we turn back? So we launched the drone to scout and saw a vehicle on its side. Before we arrived, 2 people had already been taken downhill. One of them, on the way to the hospital, passed away. May they rest in peace. These past days, I've stayed in touch with the victim's sister. We share the weight of this grief. As for what everyone asks, the 4 uncles and aunties who came down with me, they all made it home safely. But it saddens me to see some people online blaming the elders who were trapped. They are not adventurers. They're like our parents, elders who set out because they love the mountains. At 4,800 meters in an avalanche zone, right after a rollover, with thunder and hail, plus freezing temps and altitude sickness, anyone would panic. Please don't let compassion turn into blame. They've already learned a lesson they'll never forget. True outdoor spirit is mutual aid, not judgment. Many people call me a heroine, but I only did what anyone would do in that moment. It's 10 p.m. now. We still haven't reached the village below. But the road conditions are much better now. This is my first time seeing a hedgehog. A little hedgehog. Past midnight, coming down off the mountain, when we reached Jiulong, I was shaking all over, slumped in the driver's seat. An auntie brought me a bowl of noodles. True courage is to keep loving it after knowing the risks. But never underestimate nature's power. This path used to be a shepherd's trail. Along this road, some herders live here and make their living from livestock. To us, perhaps. Crossing here feels like a challenge. But for them, it's simply the road home after grazing. Nothing out of the ordinary. For us, we must start very early. And it takes more than 10 hours. For them, it's just 3 hours by motorbike. So a self-drive requires thorough preparation. And more importantly, knowing your limits. Travel within your capacity. When you're unsure whether a road is safe to pass, turn back in time, and plan routes that suit you. A small freedom is always on the road. No finish line. Through wind and rain, see you at the next pass.